Convention Centre, Shillong. Government to cancel the smart road projects under the Shillong Smart City project, says Meghalia Dhar. And passing out parade of second batch armed branch recruit constables at Sabseng, West Giant Hills district. The news in detail. Union Donor Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia on Friday appreciated Chief Minister Conrad Sangma's plan to develop a new Shillong investment area and setting up a new directorate. Holding a review meeting with the Megalia government officials at Courtyard by Marriott Hotel in Shillong, Scindia said the meeting outlined in many ways the areas of core competence and comparative advantage of Megalia. Talking to media persons, Scindia said suggestions were given to various discussions, various inputs shared while developing a new modern city with traditional strength.
For which Meghalaya is
with the plans that the Chief Ministers had for the new Shillong investment area, setting up the new directorate. We've also, I've given in our discussions various inputs as to how we should look at a new modern city with our traditional strengths, and as in addition to that, looking at areas of core competencies such as tourism, agriculture, IT, and how we should build that going forward.
Union Donor Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia on Friday said the centre will ask all the 8 northeastern states to do social audit of all the donor projects implemented. Talking to media persons, Scindia said that the ministry will not only look at the utilization certificates and completion certificates for projects, but also make sure that all the 8 states of Northeast do the social audit. He said the aim is to reach a common end goal of development and progress as enshrined by the Prime Minister in his insistence of ensuring that Viksit means a Viksit Northeast.
Donor and the NEC join me in welcoming the Honourable Minister, for which Meghalaya is...
That we will not look at only utilization certificates and completion certificates for projects. We will try and make sure that all our states also do a social audit. So, for example, if a hospital has been put up, but brick and mortar alone has no value unless there is a soul inside the brick and mortar. So, a hospital must have doctors, a hospital must have nurses, a school must have teachers, because that is the real soul. And therefore, not only a UC and a CC, but also a social audit as to how many patients have been treated in a hospital, how many students have been taught in a school. That is very monumentally important in our path of progress as we go forward.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Friday launched the Meghalaya Youth League 2024 at the State Convention Centre, Shillong. The league, organised by the Megalia Football Association, aims to scout young talent and provide a platform for career development in football. The Chief Minister expressed his support for the initiative, acknowledging the association's credibility and contribution to the sports development in the state. The league will commence on July 20th, 2024, with participation from 20 affiliated clubs divided into 4 zones and will feature sub-junior, under 14 and junior under 16 categories.
Important stakeholders for us. They are our future, and it is important as a society and as a government that we are able to nurture them in the right manner. We are able to create a positive environment, and hence I'm happy that in the last 6 years there has been unprecedented support for our youth, especially when it comes to areas like sports.
The state government has decided to cancel the smart road projects under the Shillong Smart City project as the government finds the project not feasible. The announcement was made by the Deputy Chief Minister in charge, Urban Affairs Minister Meghalia Dhar. Dhar said that the project under the first phase of Smart City has been cancelled after it was found that the project was not feasible. Even as one of the smart roads, which is lying incomplete at Lashumir area, is one among the 17 Smart City projects which were to be implemented in the city.
Almost all the project is under good progress, and few projects we are yet to inaugurate, maybe in the month of August or September, I think. And the other, even I had a meeting last week. I had received reports all projects in good progress. So hopefully, I think it will be very helpful for people. At least, for example, like even the polo market is ready, even the infra market is ready. I mean, the ICCC is ready, and presently around both Smart City and mixed from the state plan also around 1,239 parking places under progress as well. So we are monitoring every day, every now and then. We have science on the job to make sure the project should be complete in the short time. So all projects is in good progress as of now.
Nongpo MLA Meral Bon's aim on Friday petitioned Donor Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia and submitted a memorandum urging him to expedite the process of Nongpo Omden Sonapur Road. Aim said that the important road is supposed to be constructed at a cost of Rs 52 crores. According to Aim, the minister had assured him that the project will be given a top priority by the ministry. As far as the second phase of the project is concerned, Aim plans to visit New Delhi soon to meet the concerned minister to expedite the entire road project.
And he has assured me personally that he will take up this matter on a top priority basis. So I hope that this project for the upgradation of Nongpo Omden Sonapur Road with an estimated cost of 52.98 crore, the length of 20 kilometers, which has been proposed through NEH Ministry of Donor, and appraise him for an early sanction, for a speedy sanction as soon as possible within this year, this 2024. That is my meeting with him, and it is fruitful. I'm happy for the outcome of the meeting today.
Members of the Northeastern Hill University Teachers Association on Friday held a demonstration in front of the office of the Vice-Chancellor and demanded the resignation of Vice-Chancellor Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla. According to the Northeastern Hill University Teachers Association President Lakhon Kama, the association has prepared a dossier of the alleged wrongdoings of the Vice-Chancellor since he took over office and submits it to the President of the country, Draupadi Murmu. He is also the visitor of the university, the PMO, the Governor, the MPs of the state and the leader of the opposition. The association had grievances over some of the pending issues which are yet to be resolved.
Nang tangin fa sa governor, ngin fa si MP jong, ngin fa sa Ministry of Education, ngin fa si leader of opposition, ngin pa ro po gi sa PMO's office, ngin airu yo chancellor jongi boladon, but ngin pa ro sa media bangin batay lot. Batay benia lot kay ki company bolale kham tam nadu bawan hang ni hapo ka university mde tang kata bat mata kas ngila rai ru bangin dawa mentang ngila dep sign ka city bingi dawa ba in her shukino ngi demand ba in resign no ka resignation mana boro si kata ngi aki ngi kampanye ka resignation mentang ngila dep sign ka kot marsin dep rai ka meeting jongi ngila dep rai ba ngin pha her shuki ai ngila dep sign ka kot ngila dep ai
Bakstar Dingdo, who had been imprisoned in Assam's general jail for the past 10 days following his arrest by the Assam Forest Department, has been released on bail. Upon his release, several NGOs from Western Ribhoi, including the FKJGP, HNYF, HANM, KSU and RBYF, came together to welcome and honor Dingdo. Speaking at the welcoming event, leaders from various NGOs expressed their disappointment and condemned the arrest. To encourage and motivate the visually impaired, hearing impaired and others, The Megalia Progressive Special Educators Union, in collaboration with the Simam Megalia on Friday, held a ceremony to honor the disabled who have completed their studies in SSLC and HSSLC. Speaking on the occasion, Minister of Social Welfare Paul Lyngdoh expressed his pleasure to be present on this special day to honor the youth who are disabled but who have completed their studies. He also informed that the Social Welfare Department, Education Department and others have extended the support to them and tried to give their best.
Jala Megalia kalajam syahmat hawe di pun kui paki jala hakajing dei bat kajing Krisyan kajing Arab ya kiparlok dan gijing duna gitu khatmat ku bapi pi apriang bentan kajing Krisyan ke bani ai limba ka Department of Social Welfare ke Department of Health, the Department of Education, kini ke Department baru. Pergi pabun kijik jom ke yok ke kuat, jom ke jelah ke jungi, gila persian menai ya ke babahatang.
In a vibrant ceremony at Nongsdare Playground, the Dorbar Shnong Nongsdare felicitated newly elected Shillong MP Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon. The event also honoured Kamoin Walang and Wanda Shisha Deukhaid for their marathon victories at the first Pan-India Federation Cup National Masters Games 2024 held in Telangana. The athletes will represent India at the 13th Pan-Pacific Masters Games 2024 in Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia this November. In his speech, Dr. Singkon expressed gratitude to the public for their support in the recent elections.
Bagi don, kajing syanyak kalasiam, hau tau blay, ubalong, uta ublabo baik bo renti, baga sensar kadar kanlong kapakentang.
A seminar organized by the Tura Chambugong Mahari Association was held at the Pastoral Center in Walbagre. The event, which aimed to promote the preservation of Garo customs and traditions, featured an introduction by Ben Singh C.H. Marak, President of TCMA, and an opening prayer by Pastor John Stellan C.H. Marak. The seminar highlighted the pressing need to preserve these customs in a globalized world to safeguard the unique identity of the Garo tribe.
The main objective of this seminar is two objectives. One, to create awareness among the young generation the importance of Garo traditional culture and customs.
The passing out parade of the second batch armed branch recruit constable was held yesterday at 3rd MLP Battalion, Sabseng, West Giant Hills District. Director General of Police Meghalaya, Ida Shisha Nongrang, graced the program as the chief guest and took the ceremonial salute and also inspected the parade. Welcoming the new recruits, Nongrang congratulated the cadets on completing their rigorous training. She reminded them that the challenges ahead will be manifold and the crucial role they will play in their respective unit. She also handed trophies to the winners in different disciplines.
As a number of you might be aware, the 3rd Battalion of the Meghalaya Police is the first IR battalion of Meghalaya. However, setting up of the battalion headquarters for the 3rd Battalion has been one of the major challenges of the Meghalaya Police. This battalion started out in Khitashi, it then moved to Shillong, but with a very temporary headquarters, then moved to Seglate in West Khas Hills, and finally, you have a permanent headquarters here in Sabseng.
The weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 24.5 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature at 18 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 84%, while in the evening was 88%. Forecast states moderate rain and thunder shower are likely to occur at many places. And now, before we end the news, a quick look at the headlines once again. Union Donor Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia appreciated Chief Minister Conrad Sangma's plan to develop a new Shillong investment area. Centre will ask all the 8 northeastern states to do social audit of all the donor projects, says Union Donor Minister. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma launches Megalia Youth League 2024 at State Convention Centre, Shillong. Government to cancel the smart road projects under the Shillong Smart City project, says Nyaw Bhalang Dhar. And passing out parade of second batch armed branch recruit constables at Sabaseng, West Jainti Hills district. Well, viewers, with that we have come to the end of the news for today. Thank you for watching and good night.